Why do we have anything to wash that down with?
Nope.
No, not until we get this down there.
Welcome to Stoke-on-Trent.
What's up, drivers? We're at this part of the year yet again, where we learn what we wasted the majority of our time doing throughout the year. Yes, I made my own top 5, what of it? And for me, I discovered a gaming YouTuber called Primal Liquid 92 who does JRPG gaming challenges that only the truly most batshit nutjob freak of nature individuals would even dream of attempting. He also drives an MX-30, which got him a Donkey Award earlier in the year, so when the opportunity arose to meet up with him and some of his Discord for a multi-day bender in a smouldering cesspit somewhere in the Midlands, how could I say no? Before that though, special thanks goes out to Mowforth for supplying me with their brand new A119 Mini Pro for this trip. Please check the links in my description to find this dashcam or one of Mowforth's many other great options that I personally use and recommend. The Mini Pro especially came in handy as my V60 just so happened to need a recall seeing to the day before I left, so all of the dashcam footage in today's video is from this Mini Pro installed in a diesel V40 courtesy car.
I tried to flash them and I fucking did the washers instead. Oh, what an idiot. That is how you can tell how infrequently I flash people. I don't do it. I just don't do it.
This was my first time driving a diesel auto, and while I found it to be a little bit sluggish just driving around Hull, it gave you quite a lot more enthusiasm at faster speeds. Also, for the entire road trip I was trying to work out what this little orange light was. It seems to come on if you dare to be any closer than 6 seconds behind the vehicle in front. Hardly noticeable on dashcam footage, but pretty irritating when you're the driver.
Move over then, lad.
A few moments later.
Doing it again, look, he's indicating but not doing anything about it. A strange driver.
Wouldn't be a DCH road trip without some moments where I demonstrate the lane discipline of a wet lettuce now, would it?
Wait, where the fuck am I going? Right, we'll go back round. Sat nav in this car's shite. Is there anything else I'm going to get wrong? I don't know what it is about me and going to different cities, but guess I'm just going to see if I can get in.
Today is the 4th of December, which means tomorrow I level up. I'm going to be 33 tomorrow. We invited a bunch of you lovely viewers down to help me celebrate. However, I've gone all year being abused and trolled by all of these guys. We've already got the first guest arrived. Let's just flip around so you can say hi.
Hello everyone.
He's kind of a bit of a troll, but at the same time, he has got amazing fashion sense. It's like we really can't complain about that. You've already seen the first troll. The second one is now here. I did mention the YouTuber who was scared and hiding in his bedroom. Now he's here, and he's already started with the alcohol.
I wasn't scared and hiding. I didn't know you guys were here yet.
Let's introduce you guys to Bal the Femro.
Hey.
So Bal is the streamer that we mentioned. You can check her out at Bal the Femro. Link will be in the description as always.
What's your favourite willy on here? Is it the bendy one with a pointy tip, or little churd, or... I just thought, I won't even be able to show these on YouTube, will I? This will have to be Patreon content. What on earth is that one?
Well done, finally here.
This is my Christmas present from him for the trip. Hell yeah, brother. For anyone back home who thinks,
Hull's High Street's a bit dead. Have a look at this.
Welcome to Stoke-on-Trent.
Of course, we start the weekend with a visit to Spoons.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
It's been less than 5 minutes, bro. What's wrong with you?
Look, there you go. This one isn't.
Right, wait, so what's in this one?
This is called a Dizzy Bomb.
I'm pretty certain Nikki got these.
Oh, he didn't buy them.
Oh. Yeah, we're playing the Wetherspoons game now, boys.
Yeah, that's why I giggle, because I knew what it was from.
Right then, we shouldn't clink them because they'll go everywhere.
I'm not going to yet. Cheers.
Oh. Ooh. They are, yeah.
What
Ooh,
are
that's
they?
spicy mango. Why are you so helpless? It's just an apple bag.
I know, but it's just even the guy's face was just like, here's some half a Guinness and an apple bag and just throw it.
That's full of iron. It's fucking good for you.
Yeah. Pass them down, it doesn't.
Yeah.
The
There we go. Thank you very much.
It doesn't travel well.
That's some good ashtray water, that.
Yeah. Well, an apple, mate. There you go. Does anyone else want some garnish? No, I don't want any fucking garnish. Why?
No.
Go, get it in your mouth. Go on, get it in your slag. Go on, get it in.
We're probably going to get kicked out soon, aren't we? It's got to that point. Ah, there's a few floaters in there. There's loads. Just when we thought that the Wetherspoons game was over, there's still stuff coming to the table.
Chips?
Yeah, there was a chip. I'll have a chip.
For the charity stream we have got to do Scotch Bonnet chili vodka. So, we're just waiting on the lovely Gem pouring it all on the street corner, you know, as it is.
Very Stoke of you.
This next section gets a little too much for YouTube, so we'll cut ahead to right after.
Oh. Why do we have anything to wash that down with?
No.
Not until we get this down there.
How do you feel after that? Do you feel better?
It was a lot spicier than what it was last year.
Which burnt worse, going in or coming out?
I got the answer for myself a little up the road in some bushes behind a casino. It's much worse coming out.
The next day.
The camera's out, I don't like this.
That's alright, go on, open it. You won't have a clue what it is until I explain it anyway.
What the fuck is that?
Right, open it up. And then there's a little black button on it.
Yeah.
Press that.
Put it on your top.
Oh!
And because you love your Mazda so much, it's for when you open your door. Your logo shines on the floor.
That's actually pretty nifty.
Oh my god, it has suicide doors.
It's a useless car for a car park.
Wow. Look at this little churd. Oh, right.
You have fun there?
There you go. There you go.
This is where the battery's just
Why do electric cars sound like the Rocket League boost? You know, the Star boost? Does this one sound like that as well?
No.
Right, day 2. Breakfast is done. We kind of had too much though, so nobody bothered having dinner at the place we initially thought. So we're all just going to go bowling instead and eat them out of house and home.
Shall we throw you in the canal first?
Yeah,
They want to throw me in there. And now we're just waiting on one more person arriving who should be here in sort of the next like 30-40 minutes. I see that, Charles. What about you three? Anyone down there good at bowling?
I'm not too bad.
Okay, so you're terrible. You're terrible, yeah. Any good at bowling, Sarah? Any good at bowling? First for my side, first for the other side.
Content creator master race, that's what it is.
This just proves that YouTubers are the best.
Yeah, just ignore the numbers in the scores. We won, that's all you need to do.
Yeah.
Don't look at the scores.
Yeah. We have now been joined by the last member of this expedition. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Lizotte, aka Steve. How are we?
All right.
Yeah, so Steve is kind of destroying the other team on bowling right now by absolutely launching bazookas down there.
Yep.
So I feel really bad for that.
Go on, Sonny.
Charles, you got kind of battered, mate. What went wrong?
No comment. I've won an alright game and it's downhill from there.
It's like the YouTube side down. You're a disappointment.
I've dropped off, what can I say?
Because I'd gone on to put in an embarrassing bowling performance, I felt like I had to make that up by getting the highest score of the day on piano keys.
Later that same evening.
That's for you, Steve.
Oh wow. Hey. You get some willies as well. Yeah. Nice. What's your favourite one? Yeah, you've got a what's your favourite? I've got to pick a favourite dick. Little dinky one.
I'm being abused.
Stab his nipple.
You look so pretty.
This is what they all do to me. They're evil.
On the Friday evening, we were going live to Primal's Twitch audience, and I've gathered a couple of highlights from it.
Speaking of it being your birthday, there you go. Oh yeah. Happy birthday.
Now, let's try to get this out. There's a lot in this envelope.
Drugs.
No, there's a medal.
No. Oh, is it one of the biggest?
Just maybe. Kinda. You'll see. You'll see.
Show the stream.
Okay, cool. I've not even read the inside of the card. To your special retirement. Sam/Primal, happy 56th birthday or something. Happy retirement, love from Charles. Aww. Maybe later, babe.
Go on, have a kiss.
Oh, that's fucking brilliant. I love that. I love
It's
that.
the first IRL donkey award. And there's an engraving on the back as well.
Oh, why is that donkey bent over?
Because it's the donkey award.
Presenting to Primal Liquid 92, Sal Mazda, LMAO. Yeah, don't buy a Mazda MX-30, guys.
Yeah.
I now have a medal for being an ass.
Right, so I've got to get him proud as punch with his donkey award.
Oh my god. Birthday girl match on show as well.
Oh, I've got to get the tiara in as well. Now that is a look, is it not, ladies and gentlemen? Relax, drink Stella, you know it'll make you feel better. Right, so because Sam's such a genius, we've come off air purely because his phone was not on Do Not Disturb, so a phone call just killed the stream. Well done.
Someone wanted to put it in chat.
Donkey.
20 minutes later.
I have no idea how I'm gonna get it in the bag. I reckon.
Put the bag fully over your head.
No.
Someone just hold it.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
I've not even got my chat open right
Oh
now.
my god.
Can't see.
Just everywhere.
No, that'll do.
This is what happens when you make stupid decisions. Yeah. Like being a fucking YouTuber.
Yeah, I was just about to say, don't be a YouTuber.
Oh, finish him off.
I am doing, don't worry.
Yeah, finish me off.
Yeah, exactly. He's gagging for it.
Oh, this makes it all worthwhile.
How's it looking?
Not too bad, actually. I mean, just think what the people inside are gonna think. It's like we all came out and then all of us go back in with no fucking hair.
Yeah. They'll think some bets got lost or something.
Definitely some bets got lost here.
So you're just going to walk in there bald, are you?
Ah, fuck it, why not?
Where's he? If I leave... Oh my god.
Yeah.
The things we do for your entertainment, guys, honestly.
I think definitely a trip to barbers on Monday. Hey Del, are you buzzing, mate? You could have Del's lemon. And we've even got Marmite. Wait, I think that'd be a bit too obvious. We could smear a bit on. No.
Yeah.
It's one of them. I know. It's really
I said I've added something.
Pick a card. Any card.
Any card?
Any card. Show the stream. Don't show me. Show everyone else.
That's the card I just picked.
Pop it on that. You just see that becomes different space from the desk. There you go. Your card's now lost. I have no idea where it is. Is that your card? can.
No.
Show me it. Is that not your car?
No.
It is.
Community gift time.
You never tried this and it's like, oh,
I've seen it around now, it's meant to be good.
so there's enough for everyone.
It's meant to be good.
I've got one permanently on my desk at home. There you go, everyone's grabbing some of that.
The next day.
We are already 2 men down, unfortunately. One of them is hanging out of his arse. He's gone back to the hotel with a KFC breakfast and is just dying. The other one kind of just went missing. We have no idea where he is. And around here, he could be stabbed, he could be on drugs. We don't know. We'll have to see if he appears later today, maybe. Sarah's having some fun.
Meanwhile.
Right, so I did just meet up with everyone this morning. I am not doing well. I've come back with a KFC box meal to eat in the Premier Inn bed. You know, like a real classy bird that I am.
Later.
So first of all, just so everybody is aware, he's not missing.
No.
He's
Still
kind
dying.
of alive. Yeah, he's dying. He's half dead. Yeah. However, we do have a nice present for him. Oh, actually, we also have a present for this one as well.
Oh, I know what it's going to do.
There you go, Dal. Some nice little fishy slippers.
Oh, they're great.
You know you've struggled to stay alive this weekend? Mm-hmm. We got you a little something that might help.
Oh, brilliant. What are they? I need them right now.
So one of them is like put a lemon under your arm. So
Yeah, the very first one is put a lemon under your armpit. You've already said you're still going to come back next year because you don't learn from your mistakes.
Yeah, pretty
So
much.
we got you a little
that will help you
homework.
for next year ready.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So I've got a little something for Primo as well because I know how much he loves them. He can have his own willy.
That's much bigger than your one.
So I'm an old fossil, and I now also have a squeezy boot.
Guys are amazing, man. I forgot to bring my hot sauces, so they went out and got me a full, pretty much a full kit that you could do a full hot ones with. Can't wait to try them out. And something that I very much could have done with a few hours ago, but this will be an absolutely integral piece of reading material for me.
The next day.
My drive back to Hull was a very simple and pleasant one. The V40 had absolutely no problem tearing up tiny little slip roads that used to put the fear of God into me back when I drove at Mariva. Even Ashbourne roundabout in Derby went unusually smoothly for everyone involved.
Eight hours later.
No, you don't. Fuck's sake.
But anyway, that's all we've got time for today. Thank you very much again to Primal Liquid 92 and friends for allowing me to join his celebrations. And thank you to everyone for watching. Peace! Also, this is what you want to drive like if you want to look cool. Like all the way back, man, so you can't even see over the dash, you don't need to see what you're killing.